In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Gmail or Gsuite storage. If you're finding that your current storage capacity isn't cutting it anymore, maybe you're always running out of space and struggling to receive emails, upgrading your storage can be a simple and effective solution. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure that your digital workspace is as efficient as possible. The first thing you need to do is open your Gmail inbox. Once you're in your inbox, take a moment and scroll down the page. You're looking for a little indicator that shows how much storage you are currently using out of your total available space. It's typically near the bottom left corner of the interface. Spotting this is your cue that you're on the right track. Now that you've identified where your storage details are, click directly on that storage information. By doing this, you're indicating to Gmail that you want to explore your storage options further. Once you click, Gmail will open a new tab in your browser. This new tab will take you to a Google One page. On this Google One page, you'll find various options laid out for you. It's handy because Google gathers all your storage needs and provides different plans that can suit your changing requirements. A clear display of available plans will be visible, listing the differences in storage capacities and prices. Take a moment here to examine your options. Consider your needs. Do you just need a bit more room, or are you looking at significant future growth? This will guide you to the best choice. Once you've decided on a plan that suits your requirements, you'll need to select it. Make sure you've reviewed the plan details closely, including the price and any other pertinent information, so you know exactly what you'll be purchasing. After you've selected your desired plan, follow the instructions to complete your purchase. Google will likely ask for your payment information to finalize the upgrade. Just ensure that you double check all the details before confirming your selection. And there you have it. With your storage plan upgraded, you'll enjoy more space for emails, documents, photos, and videos, ensuring that your digital life can continue seamlessly without worry. By knowing how to manage and upgrade your storage efficiently, you can prevent many of the headaches associated with running out of space. Your Gmail will now be set up to efficiently handle a growing flow of information. This process not only helps in keeping your communications uninterrupted, but also gives you peace of mind knowing you have the space you need. Thanks for following along, and I hope this tutorial has helped you get a grip on your Gmail or G Suite storage needs. Enjoy the additional space and more smooth email management.